In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Blender on your Mac computer. So let's see how we can do that. At first, we need to open any browser like Google Chrome browser or Brave browser, or anything is fine. I'm using Brave browser for this tutorial, and we just need to go google.com. After coming here, we just need to type Blender. Once we type Blender, then we'll see the Blender search result is there. We have to go to this website blender.org. So we just need to click here and it will open like this. So sometimes it is going to like this type of download link, but we're not going to access there. We are going to open the home page. So this is the home page of Blender. Okay, so after coming there, we have to click the download link. Here is the download link from this menu. I'm going to click here and it will bring this type of window. Now based on your computer or Mac, it will show you the suitable version of the Blender, like Mac OS. Right now I'm using Mac OS, that's why it is showing Mac OS, and this is an Intel based Mac, that's why it is showing Intel. But if your Mac is not Intel based, then how you can choose the other version? So there is a drop down menu like this, Windows, Linux and other version. You just need to click here and then it will bring all the options for the downloader. So here is showing for Mac there are two versions, one is Intel and there is Apple Silicon. So if your Mac is based on Apple Silicon, then you have to choose this version, otherwise you have to use this version. I'm using a Intel based Mac, that's why I'm going to choose this one. And then once you select that option, then it will bring this type of page and it will tell you to download that thing to some locations. So I'm going to click the downloads folder to save it, and then I'm going to click save and it will start saving. And here I see Blender 4.4.3 macOS x64 which is 350 megabyte. It is completed downloaded. Now I'm going to open the Finder and I'm going to access the downloads folder, and here I see Blender 4.4.3. this is there. So now we need to install. The installation process is very simple. We just need to double click and it will bring on window, this window. Okay, now we don't need this type of window. I'm going to minimize it, this one and this one also I don't need, so I'm going to minimize those things. Now here are two things are there. One is the Blender icon and there is the applications like folder like thing. So we just need to click here, click here and drag and drop it inside these applications. I'm going to release it from over there, and very shortly it will copy everything from here to here. Now let's open the Finder to check whether Blender is there or not. So this is the Finder. I'm going to access the applications folder, and here if we sort everything, then we'll see Blender is there. And if we see, it is showing like it is installed just now. And to open the Blender, basically we just need to double click over here, or we can open from the Spotlight search. So this window I don't need, so I'm going to close it. And now I'm going to open from Spotlight search. I'm going to hit Command key and spacebar together, and then it will bring like this. Here I just need to type Blender and it will show the Blender. And then from here we can click here or press the enter key to open the Blender application, and very shortly you will see that it will be open. Now it is verifying. For the first time when you load Blender, it will take some time, and after that it becomes very faster. This is my experience. So you have to wait till it finished loading. We can close this window, we don't need it anymore. I'm going to close it, and still it is verifying. And here it is popping on message like Blender app is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? We have to press open. Once the Blender application is opened, you will find this type of screen where you will see the version number, which is the latest version 4.4.3, and the language. You can choose the other language also. I just choose English language, and there is a theme. So there are different themes are there. You can choose any of this theme. I'm using the Blender Dark. Then key map, you can use Blender or some other thing based on that. Then mouse select left or right. Left is fine, and then spacebar action. Then you can choose any of this option, and then I'm keeping everything default, but if you want you can modify those things, and then hit the continue button. And here it will bring this window where you can choose what you want to do, general, then 2D animation and so many things. And also right side you will get the help like manual, tutorials, so many things are there. Now I'm going to open a new file to create some animation or whatever to create a model. So I'm going to click here general, and it will open like this. And that's it. In this way we can easily install Blender on our Mac computer.